Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And right here we have to scroll all the way down to find software update. Then let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on auto download. So all you have to do here is to make sure that your option is marked. This option right in the middle is marked, so using Wi-Fi only. Obviously, if it is set to never, then your device will not automatically check and download for the updates. And I really do not recommend tapping on using Wi-Fi or mobile data because it may result in additional charges. The update packages are quite large and downloading them via mobile data could be quite, I would say, expensive. So all you need to do is to make sure that you've got this option marked and you're good to go. Basically, your device will automatically check for these software updates. It will automatically download them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.